Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are hungry and in a hurry, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show 3 super easy recipes you can make in just 10 minutes or less. No stress, no fancy tools, just quick, tasty meals that anyone can cook. Let's get started. Recipe number 1, 10-minute egg fried rice. Let's start with a simple egg fried rice. You only need cooked rice, eggs, and a few vegetables. Some ingredients you need: 2 cups cooked rice, 2 eggs, half cup chopped onion, half cup chopped carrots or peas, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oil. So some steps you should follow. Heat oil in a pan, add onion and cook for 1 minute. Add the vegetables, cook for 2 minutes. Push them to the side of the pan. Crack 2 eggs in the middle. Stir the eggs until cooked. Add the rice and mix everything together. Pour soy sauce and stir well. Cook for 2 more minutes and you are done. This meal is perfect for lunch or dinner. It is fast and full of flavor. Recipe number 2, 10-minute tomato pasta. Next, we'll make a quick tomato pasta. You only need pasta, tomato sauce, and cheese. Some ingredients you need: 1 cup small pasta boiled ahead of time, half cup tomato sauce, 1 garlic clove chopped, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper, grated cheese. So there are some steps you should follow. Heat oil in a pan and add garlic. Cook for 30 seconds. Add tomato sauce, salt and pepper. Stir for 2 minutes. Add boiled pasta to the sauce. Mix well and cook for 2 more minutes. Turn off heat and sprinkle cheese on top. This pasta is creamy and comforting. Kids and adults both love it. Recipe number 3, 10-minute veggie sandwich. Now let's make a healthy veggie sandwich. You don't even need a stove. There are some ingredients you should need: 4 slices of bread, half cup sliced cucumber, half cup sliced tomato, lettuce leaves, cheese slices, mayonnaise or butter. Some steps you should follow: spread mayonnaise or butter on each slice of bread. Add cucumber and tomato slices on 1 slice. Place lettuce and cheese on top. Cover with another bread slice. Cut in half and serve. You can pack this sandwich for school, work or picnics. It's fresh and crunchy. To save time, keep boiled rice, boiled pasta and chopped veggies in the fridge. This makes cooking super fast. And that's it. 3 tasty spices ready in just 10 minutes. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy meals. See you next time.